Hello, hey, this is Tom Cox with District 6. I just want to make a quick video on what we are doing this week with 3D modeling using ORD. Well, we're taking a look at our district standards since they're a little bit different than the highway standards. Today I'm actually looking at this rural entrance detail. It's a standard for entrances at Type A gutter situations on 3R projects. And so if you look at the standard, you'll see that it's just a little bit different, like I said, than the highway standard. We can take a look at more of a cross-sectional view. You can see the width is of the gutter itself is only 3 foot versus 4 foot like on highway standards. You can see the way that we pay for it is just slightly different. So that becomes important because when we create our templates, create our components and everything, we want to make sure that they match this so that we can use those quantities that it can automatically create for us. So let's take a look at it. Okay, as we kind of spin it around here, you can see that, like we talked about earlier, that the gutter is actually just one component. You can see if I select it, I didn't use different templates or anything. Going through the entrances, just use the parametric constraints to kind of taper down the back of that gutter to match our standard. Behind that, you can see the PCC driveway pavement that we pay for separately. It's 8 inches thick regardless of the type of entrance. And then behind that we've got, again, a different material type, and that's where we're just going to match into whatever is out there, the same material type anyway. So let's take a little spin around it. You can get an idea what it looks like in 3D. And then down below in the cross-sectional view, you can see I cut a cross-section just down the middle of this model. You can see it looks pretty decent. I really haven't taken a look at annotation groups yet. I need to do that a little bit more. I know we're having some problems with the temporary dimensioning in situations, especially when you've got multiple corridor files referenced. So trying to work through that, but I think it's all going to work out. But again, one thing about quantities that I really like about this 3D modeling is, look at this. You can select on really anything. You can bring up the properties. I select that component, and here down below you can see that the driveway pavement's 112 cubic feet. You can see the depth, and the same way really for any of the components. I think that's a really powerful feature. So I'm very hopeful that that we're going to get used to this product, and it's really going to help us out. Help us get better designs and better quantities, better cost estimates. Thanks.